7 Secret Superfoods, the ultimate nutrient powerhouses for peak wellness. Have you ever thought about how different your life would be if you had unlimited energy and felt energized every day? Imagine yourself going through your daily activities with a clear mind and a spring in your step. This vitality is more achievable than you think, just by making some thoughtful changes in your diet. Did you know that according to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, CDC, only 1 in 10 adults get enough fruit or vegetables in their diet? This deficiency can lead to a variety of health problems, from low energy levels to chronic diseases. Incorporating nutrient-rich superfoods into your meals can significantly improve your overall health and well-being. The foods I'm going to give you in this video are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that can transform your health. Whether you're looking to boost your immune system, boost your energy levels, or just feel better overall, these superfoods are game changers. Let's start with the first food. 1. Avocado. Avocado, a food that is both easy to find and rich in nutrients. So what nutrients does it contain that makes it so famous? It's a fruit native to Central America, known for its smooth, creamy texture and rich flavor. The special thing about avocado is that it contains a lot of healthy fats, fiber, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. One average avocado, about 150 g, provides about 21 g of healthy fats, 12 g of fiber, 30% of daily vitamin K needs, and 15% of daily vitamin E needs. Compared to other foods, avocado stands out because of its monounsaturated fat content, which helps reduce bad cholesterol and increase good cholesterol in the blood. A specific example is that an avocado provides about 975 milligrams of potassium, higher than the amount of potassium in a large banana, which helps regulate blood pressure and support heart health. Besides, few people know that avocado also has the ability to absorb nutrients from other foods. When you eat avocado with green vegetables, your body will absorb 3 to 5 times more antioxidants from the green vegetables than when eating green vegetables alone. In addition, avocado also contains lutein and zeaxanthin, 2 important antioxidants that help protect eyes from the effects of blue light from computer and phone screens. This is information that few people know but is extremely important for your health. Plus, to get the most out of avocado, you can incorporate it into many different dishes to increase flavor and nutrition. For example, you can add avocado to your morning smoothie, mix it into a salad, or use it as a smooth ice cream for sandwiches. To enhance nutrient absorption, combine avocado with foods rich in vitamin A, like carrots or collard greens. Fat-soluble vitamin A is better absorbed in the presence of healthy fats from avocado. Another tip is that you can make guacamole from avocado combined with lemon, garlic, and tomatoes. This sauce is not only delicious but also provides many important nutrients for the body. Next, have you ever wondered about a small food that can help you stay youthful? Let's explore a food rich in protein and fiber that is great for skin and overall health in the next topic. 2. Lentils. Lentils are small beans, usually brown, green or red, commonly grown around the world. In particular, lentils stand out with their high nutritional value. Containing about 18 grams of protein per cup, about 198 grams, of cooked lentils, these beans are an excellent source of plant-based protein. Additionally, lentils are high in fiber, about 15.6 grams per cup, iron, about 6.6 milligrams per cup, zinc, folate, about 358 micrograms per cup, and choline, about 56 milligrams per cup. This makes lentils one of the most nutritionally dense superfoods. Compared to other beans, lentils stand out thanks to their high protein and folate content. For example, 1 cup of cooked lentils provides 90% of your daily folate needs, which is important for brain health and cell growth. In addition, there is some special information that few people know about lentils, which is their ability to improve digestive health and control blood sugar. Fiber in lentils not only helps maintain a healthy digestive system but also aids in controlling blood sugar levels, reducing the risk of type 2 diabetes. Furthermore, lentils also contain antioxidant compounds, helps protect cells from damage caused by free radicals. This is especially helpful in preventing chronic diseases and maintaining overall health. To get the most out of lentils' nutritional value, you should soak lentils before cooking. Soaking lentils in water for about 2 to 4 hours before cooking will help reduce the amount of phytic acid, a substance that can hinder the absorption of minerals in the body. When cooking, combine lentils with green vegetables like spinach or broccoli to enhance iron absorption. Another tip is to use lentils in soups, salads, or as the main ingredient in vegetarian dishes to increase the amount of plant protein in your daily diet. Lentils can be cooked and stored in the refrigerator for use throughout the week. This not only saves time but also ensures you always have a rich source of nutrients available. When cooking, you just need to boil the lentils for about 20 to 25 minutes until soft, and you can add spices as you like to enhance the flavor. Let's explore another nutritious food in the next section that can help you maintain a youthful appearance and optimal health. Can you guess which grain is high in protein and fiber, considered a real superfood? 3. Quinoa. Quinoa, a nutritious grain, is an ideal choice for your diet. This is a rich source of high-quality protein and fiber. Quinoa is unique in that it contains all the essential amino acids that the body cannot produce on its own, making it a perfect food for vegetarians or vegans. Specifically, each 100 grams of quinoa provides about 14 grams of protein, 7 grams of fiber, and 2.8 milligrams of iron. Compared to other superfoods, quinoa stands out because of its perfect combination of riboflavin, magnesium, and iron, all of which contribute to a healthy diet. In addition to outstanding nutritional benefits, quinoa also has interesting information that few people know. For example, quinoa contains saponin, a natural compound that helps the body absorb nutrients better and has antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects. With approximately 0.2 milligrams of riboflavin and 64 milligrams of magnesium per 100 grams, quinoa supports energy metabolism, protects eye health, and improves muscle and nervous system function. Furthermore, if you are on a weight loss regimen, consider replacing starch in your meals with quinoa. With the ability to provide protein and fiber, quinoa helps you feel full longer, thanks to its ability to retain water and boost metabolism. To maximize nutritional benefits, you can roast quinoa before cooking, which enhances flavor and reduces saponin levels. Try adding quinoa to salads or fried dishes instead of traditional starches to reduce calories but still provide adequate nutrients. And if you're looking for foods that will help you stay youthful, did you know that another type of nut can play an important role in your diet? 4. Macca. Macadamia nuts, also known as macadamia nuts, are a premium nut from Australia, outstanding with their extremely rich nutritional value. According to USDA research, macadamia nuts contain very high amounts of monounsaturated fat, accounting for about 80% of total fat, helping to improve heart health and reduce bad cholesterol levels in the blood. In addition, macadamia nuts also provide abundant protein, with about 8 g per 100 g of nuts, along with fiber, vitamin B6, potassium, and essential minerals such as magnesium and iron. In particular, 100 g of macadamia nuts provide about 20 g of healthy fats, compared to only 13 g in 100 g of almonds, proving its outstanding nutritional value. More interestingly, macadamia nuts not only provide nutrition but also contain powerful antioxidant compounds. Research from the Nutrition Research Institute shows that these compounds have the ability to protect the body from harmful free radicals, thereby reducing the risk of chronic diseases such as cancer and heart disease. Macadamia nuts are also a rich source of palmitoleic acid, a rare omega-7 fatty acid that helps improve skin health and reduce inflammation. Using macadamia nuts regularly can help you maintain healthy skin and slow down the aging process. To maximize the benefits of macadamia nuts, try applying a few simple tips. Instead of just eating them directly, you can grind macadamia nuts into powder and add them to smoothies, salads, or baked goods to increase nutritional value without losing the flavor of the dish. Another useful tip is to use macadamia nut oil in cooking, as it has a high smoke point and helps preserve flavor and nutrients. However, remember that although macadamia nuts are very healthy, they are also high in calories. A serving of about 30 g per day is enough to reap the nutritional benefits without worrying about becoming overweight. So did you know that there are other foods that also possess strong anti-aging abilities like macadamia nuts? In the next section, we will explore these secret foods to stay youthful and fresh. Let's find out. 5. Mushroom. Mushrooms are not only delicious dishes but are also considered one of the great superfoods thanks to their high nutritional value. Research from the National Institute of Nutrition shows that mushrooms provide large amounts of vitamin D, B vitamins, selenium, and copper, important antioxidants. This makes mushrooms an especially nutritious food. Specifically, 1 cup of grilled mushrooms can provide about 7% of daily vitamin D needs and 15% of vitamin B2 needs, supporting bone health and providing the body with necessary energy. In addition, mushrooms contain ergosterol, a compound that is converted into vitamin D2 when exposed to sunlight, thereby helping the body absorb calcium more effectively. Furthermore, beta-glucans in mushrooms help reduce bad cholesterol and strengthen the immune system. 1 cup of white mushrooms provides about 2.7 grams of beta-glucans, which are very beneficial for your heart health and immune system. To get the most out of mushrooms, you should try grilling them instead of cooking them in other ways, which helps retain more vitamin D. Adding mushrooms to soup or salad is a great way to enhance the nutritional value of your meal. In particular, when combining mushrooms with foods rich in vitamin C such as bell peppers, the body will absorb iron from mushrooms more effectively. For example, a plate of mushroom and bell pepper salad can provide about 20% of daily vitamin C needs, which helps improve iron absorption. Join me in continuing to learn about superfoods that help maintain youthfulness and dynamism, with a notable example being sunflower seeds. 6. Sunflower seed. Sunflower seeds, a nutritious and popular food, are known for their outstanding nutritional properties. According to a study by the World Health Organization, WHO, sunflower seeds contain vitamin E, selenium, magnesium, choline, and antioxidants such as chlorogenic acid, which play an important role in protecting the body from cell damage and enhance cardiovascular health. Specifically, a 28-gram serving of sunflower seeds provides about 7.4 milligrams of vitamin E, accounting for 50% of adults' daily needs, along with 1.2 milligrams of selenium, equivalent to 20% of daily needs. The presence of these nutrients makes sunflower seeds one of the most nutritious foods, with a significant impact in maintaining overall health, compared to other foods on the superfoods list. Few people know that sunflower seeds are not only rich in nutrients but also contain a large amount of monounsaturated fat, which is beneficial for heart health. A study published in the Journal of the American College of Nutrition showed that consuming sunflower seeds helps reduce bad LDL cholesterol levels in the blood. Sunflower seeds also help reduce inflammation thanks to their high antioxidant content, which helps protect the body from chronic inflammatory diseases. In fact, a 28-gram serving of sunflower seeds provides about 6.7 grams of monounsaturated fat, which may contribute to improved heart health and reduced risk of heart disease. When choosing sunflower seeds, you should prioritize those with the shell intact, as the shell helps protect the contents from exposure to light and oxygen, keeping the seeds from losing nutrients. To optimize nutritional benefits, choose organic sunflower seeds and avoid over-roasting, as prolonged roasting can reduce antioxidant content. At the same time, the consumption of sunflower seeds also needs to be moderate. Only about 30 grams per day is needed to take full advantage of the health benefits without causing weight gain. You can also easily add sunflower seeds to salads, yogurt, or eat them directly as a nutritious snack. So, once you understand the wonderful benefits of sunflower seeds, let's explore another food that also contains many essential nutrients and can help improve your health. Do you know what the outstanding characteristics of sweet potatoes are? Let's find out in this final part. 7. Sweet potato. Sweet potatoes are a tuber loved all over the world thanks to the perfect combination of sweet taste and high nutritional value. Sweet potatoes are not only delicious but also known for their abundant vitamin A content in the form of beta-carotene, vitamin C, fiber, and antioxidants. In particular, beta-carotene in sweet potatoes helps protect cells from free radical damage and converts into vitamin A in the body, supporting eye health and the immune system. With 100 g of sweet potatoes containing about 1,000 micrograms of beta-carotene, this is one of the richest food sources of vitamin A compared to many other foods. Few people know that sweet potatoes are not only good for health but also have the ability to regulate blood sugar thanks to their low glycemic index. One study found that sweet potatoes may help reduce the risk of type 2 diabetes by improving insulin sensitivity. Besides, sweet potatoes also contain anthocyanins, a powerful antioxidant found mainly in purple sweet potatoes. Anthocyanins help reduce inflammation and improve heart health. For example, 100 g of purple sweet potatoes contain about 500 mg of anthocyanins, which help you fight cardiovascular diseases and inflammation. To get the most out of sweet potatoes, try baking or steaming instead of frying to preserve vitamins and antioxidants. A good tip is to add sweet potatoes to your diet by combining them with other green vegetables in a salad to enhance their nutritional value. In particular, if you want to improve your intestinal health, enjoy sweet potatoes with the skin, because the skin contains a lot of fiber to help support digestion. Specifically, 100 g of baked sweet potatoes can provide up to 3.3 g of fiber, contributing to maintaining better digestive health. Remember that adding sweet potatoes to your daily meals not only helps you supplement necessary nutrients but also helps maintain a healthy lifestyle. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more health tips and insights. Your support helps us keep bringing you valuable content. In summary, ignoring these simple but effective tips on nutrient-dense foods could lead to serious health issues. These superfoods are packed with essential nutrients that can significantly improve your well-being. By following these straightforward suggestions, you're taking a proactive step towards a healthier life. Alternatively, neglecting this advice could lead to serious health complications, ones that even the best doctors may struggle to remedy. Your health is in your hands. So, it's really up to you. Embrace these easy-to-follow tips to enhance your health, or risk falling into a cycle of health problems that could be much harder to fix later on. The choice is yours. While you wait for our next video, check out the 4 videos on your screen right now. They're packed with more insights to help you lead a healthier, happier life. Thank you so much for watching until the end. Your support means the world to us. See you in the next video, and take care.